Hey everyone! If Disney Plus isn't working on your TV, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix common issues so you can start streaming your favorite movies and shows again in 2026. First, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Yeah. Check Wi-Fi or Ethernet and run a quick speed test. Streaming apps need at least 5 megabits per second for HD. Next, close the Disney Plus app completely, then reopen it. Sometimes the app just needs a fresh start to fix glitches. If the app is still not working, restart your TV. Turn it off, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary system issues. Check if there's an update available for Disney Plus in your app store. Yeah, updating the app can fix bugs and improve performance. Also, make sure your TV software is up to date. System updates often fix compatibility issues with streaming apps. If it's still not working, clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall Disney Plus. This removes corrupted data that might be causing the problem. And that's it. These steps should get Disney Plus working on your TV again. Yeah, smoother streaming, faster load times, and fewer errors. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tech fixes. Hey everyone.